So, hi Roshni.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm going good. Thank you.
Okay, Roshni, tell me, you came to me for weight loss. Let me start with that. So, tell me about your weight gain journey first.
Yeah, so basically I've been on the healthier side throughout my childhood. But at that time, it really didn't matter much. As in, we didn't focus. It is like, Arey, it's okay. You're a teenager. It looks good sometimes. You don't have to be skinny and all. So that time I was okay. But I used to see my friends, they were lean. And, friends are usually in casual way. They say that, Arey, Golu, like that
Oh,
sometimes. So then when I went into the college again, things were normal, but the trigger was, I think, when I had my irregular periods, and that's when I had also reached out to you, if you remember. So all that things like weight gain, having irregular periods, all started with PCOS, I think. That's when things were still okay, because I thought it's okay, ho jayega. Once you hit your 20s, it will be normal. But seems like it didn't work in my case. So I started going to gym, and everybody is having their fitness goals on. So I started going gym. I tried different diets also reading on the internet, but that just gave me some minimum results. Like if you go to gym, I just lost 1 kg in a month, and in the next month there were no much results. So the drive to go to gym and do exercise was also very less. And tried some fads like GM diet vagara, if you read any time on the internet. So that was also okay, but my family was very against it, that you're not eating properly. My sisters used to tell me, my cousins, that it's not needed for you right now, don't do such things, please. And when my dad told that Mansi is there, why don't you go and consult her, I said, okay, I'll go and meet her. And since then, I started reaching out to you for different things, be it related to periods. And then when I saw that you're taking up healthy eating, I thought I will go for it. And wow, I think you have seen the results. So I feel very nice.
so how was your experience with this diet different from what you were already doing?
I think it was different, because what I thought when coming to you about having healthy eating is not much of the stuff. If I have to do diet, then I don't have to eat this. If I have to do diet, I don't have to eat this. But it changed overall when I
So you
saw.
were expecting soup and
Yeah,
salad.
yeah, actually having some diet kind of things, but totally different than what I thought. And when I was talking to my parents also, are you on diet? You're eating everything. And I was like, yes, I am eating everything, but good healthy eating. So
Lovely. So that was the first myth that you busted, I guess. Ki
yeah,
diet does not need soup and salads for lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything.
yes.
So tell me, a lot of people say that with the Indian kind of diet, it is not possible for us to diet. What
um
they actually mean to say is, because we are used to eating masaledar khana,
yeah.
you need to have a roti, sabzi, dal, chawal, everything on your plate. So if you've been eating that for 25 years and now you go on a diet, it's going to be very difficult. So did you face that kind of issue?
In the beginning, I think our Indian diet is mostly about sweets. We love eating sweets, and that's also the same with me. Though every day we don't have different mithais at home, but sometime if it is a festival or there is some special occasion, we have something made of sweet at home. So in the beginning, I definitely had some cravings. I was missing some sweet tooth, but on the spicy side, I like spicy food, and nothing was eliminated out of that. So I think I was good with it. I had a lot of options. So I had my taste buds and I did a lot of new recipes. So I don't think that
Oh,
I missed
wow.
it. Yeah.
So you really feel that somewhere you were also learning how to cook a
Oh,
lot more than
of
you've done
course.
in your life.
My mom is like, you've been in kitchen for longer. I mean, I was not inclined towards cooking before, because I know it's basic, dalo tadka ho jayega. But then I started experimenting. It's fun. So whenever I get time, I go in the kitchen, I prepare the meal and I have it. So it's fun.
That's lovely. So during the diet, let's talk about first of all about your skin. Okay, so a lot of people when they go on these conventional diets that you see,
Mhm.
you will see their skin gets dull, and you know it somehow hangs. And especially with somebody like you who's lost a considerable amount of fat, you know, if you do it through some other diet, the skin really bears the brunt of it. So, what would you say has happened in your case?
Okay, so I would tell it to you from the feedbacks that I've got from people. So whenever I was doing the healthy eating thing, nobody came and told me that you look very dull or you look very weak. Please stop this. Please don't do this. So I think overall, I saw that, you know, my skin was getting a bit good, healthy, and it wasn't much oily or acne, you know, a lot of acne. So it
Which
was
you had for a long time because of your PCOD. I
yes,
remember you having bad breakouts.
right. I still have some marks, but it considerably reduced because I was watching what I was eating, and nobody just told me that it's not good that you're doing. Please stop that. So I think it has turned out to be really good for my
Is there a
skin.
glow on your face
Yes,
that people
yes,
remark about?
absolutely. Yup.
Lovely. It feels so good now that you can lose fat, you can lose weight, and you can still have glowy, lovely skin.
Yes, that's like ultimate goal anybody would have.
Absolutely. And how about your energy levels? How have they been?
Energy, yeah. I think when I so this is my second round of healthy eating. I had a break kind of thing because of a lot of festivals and birthdays and gatherings in the family. So I remember when I started with the first round of healthy eating, I was taking up almost all dancing and Zumba and all. I used to do it online.
And
Uh,
how were your energy levels before that?
Before that, that's what is now I'm coming to that. When I was on the break, it's like almost before going to healthy diet, right? I was so lethargic. I didn't feel like getting up.
Oh, okay. So you saw the reverse thing.
Reverse
When you
thing.
went off the diet, you really lost all the energy.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
that's nice.
I don't feel like getting up and doing dancing. I just sit, I do work, and then I go to sleep, I eat, that's all. But yeah, I saw myself very active, not feeling very lazy when I wake up. So it was
How
nice.
was your mood overall when you were on healthy eating?
That's a good question. I see, I don't remember any one point where I was too much in the stress. In fact, now that I realize that when I was off it, I remember a lot of stress things coming my way, the way I react to it. Now I see that difference. That time I was very free of mind and taking everything positively and approaching it in a good way. So yeah, those
So,
were good indications.
so do you feel that the food that you eat probably makes an impact on how you think or how you approach things?
Yes, one example I'll give you is one time I was eating something out of the diet food, okay, very heavy Indian types of food. The next day or the day, my mind was so blocked. I was really feeling very low. I don't want to do anything. I'm lazy. I just want to sit, irritated, no sleep patterns and everything. But when I switched to my diet food, you remember I had messaged you, that is something my body wants and I want to eat that, and I feel so good and light in my own space. So I see that difference. Yeah.
So, Roshni, I don't know if you remember this when you actually first time went on the eating plan. You said, Mansi Didi, how many months would I have to continue this?
Yes. Yes.
So now I'm going to ask you, Roshni, how many months would you like to continue this kind of eating?
Now, is this even a question? I've got the mantra. Even dad says that Mansi has given you a mantra, follow it lifetime, nothing is going to happen to you. I said I'm blessed. But I would like to continue it. And even though we have these things like festivals and functions, they will come keep on coming. But I find that gap, and whenever I'm at home, I eat the healthy food. So that is okay. It balances out other things, but I want to continue it forever. I won't.
Lovely. I'm so happy to know that.
Yeah.
And tell me about your fat loss. Tell me, okay, even here, I would like you to tell me the feedbacks that you've received.
Oh, feedbacks, yes. First, what I felt is only eating might not help me, is what was my thought, because I've
Yes,
seen
I
people
remember you coming and
Yeah.
asking me every 2 days, should I start my workout? Should I start my workout? Should I start my workout? And I said, that's not going to help you.
Right. And when I heard you saying that, see, only eating, and I was like surprised. Let's see, 1 month, we'll see how it goes, and then I'll take a call. But my we don't realize it much, but the other people who are watching us, they realize that, yeah, you have reduced. See, you have reduced. And after 1 month, when I just checked myself, I was like, what? So many kilos in a month? Is it possible? And because I didn't believe that only eating can help, you need to do workout and all, but all those myths were just busted out. And I saw, and that encouraged me that, okay, I am achieving my goal and I have to continue. And 3 to 4 months, I was like, at least close to my goal that I had thought about. So, fat loss, call it as weight loss, fat loss, I've seen all the differences in me, and I feel very light, good, and I like to see myself in the mirror, try different outfits. So,
Oh, that's the best part, isn't it?
yeah.
I mean, after years and years of avoiding the mirror, you're finally
Yes.
embracing the mirror.
Even your dresses, they are loose now, and you see that difference. So it feels nice.
Yeah. How does it feel to go shopping again?
Shopping. I've been a kind of person who would go for little loose clothes, breathy, airy, and all. But now I'm kind of daring to go a step ahead and have some fitted dresses.
Oh,
Go
wow.
for a sleeveless top or sleeveless blouse. That's what I was discussing with mom. Also, we have some marriages coming up in the family, and I said I'll go with a sleeveless blouse. It will look good on.
It'll look amazing on you. You've got to try. I'll give you some lovely ideas later
Yeah.
for this whole
But
thing.
yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now let's come to the most important part. How was your experience with me personally as a guide?
Yes, I think you were very patient with me, I would say, because so many questions, so many doubts, so many beliefs that I had, about myself that I cannot do, because I'm very bad at consistency. I know that, but you just kept me encouraging. Keep doing, keep eating healthy. You will see the results. And I was like, okay, I'll keep on doing it. So I think you guided me very well. I was kind of feeling that it is the best decision that I took up on myself, that I want to go with this. And Mansi dai ahe tar mala kaits problem nahi hai. I had that much trust, and my parents were also saying that if it's Mansi, then we don't have to even look at what you are eating. You just do it. You are getting your results. So thank you for that. Thanks for guiding me and putting me on the right track. And whenever I had any questions, I know that you have answered it. So I'm really thankful to you. Thank you.
You are always welcome, my darlings. And how was your experience with your PCOD on healthy eating?
Yes. So on healthy eating, first 2 months, I think it was again having some imbalance, maybe because I was starting something new. Before that, I was having something else. But otherwise, I have seen that losing weight or having some fat loss has actually impacted in a good way for my menses, because I was seeing no pain, very normal bleeding, if at all. And I was seeing lesser symptoms on my face, like less pimple, not very painful pimples, or not much of cramps, and having a healthy period. So I think it has worked really well. And now when I eat something very much which is outside of my food, I kind of feel scared that, oh no, now it's going to impact my periods. But I don't want to keep that as thing in my head every time.
But have you noticed that even though you have a few breaks here and there, if you follow the diet or the eating plan for the majority of the month, you actually see the good results in spite of skipping good eating like a few weeks or few days.
Yeah, I think it was quite regular for a few months, but when I just gave it a lot of break, not exercising well, not eating well, then it did had some impact. Like it was a bit far than the actual date. So eating good for 2 to 3 months that I did was really showing its result in next 4 5 months.
It
So
was very sustained.
yeah, it was. So it was quite regular, and I thought that this is what I need to do if I have to be healthy in future. So I think it was a blessing that I started doing this really.
I love seeing you like this. I can't get enough of seeing you happy, Roshni. I remember the first time when we interacted and you were feeling so down about your whole, the way you were looking. And, it happens. We are women. We
Yes.
program that way.
Yes.
So, but it is so lovely to see you happy, honestly.
Yep. I'm happy too. Happy inside, happy outside.
And how many kilos have you lost on the scale?
Yes. So when I started, I think if total I have to count, I reduced 8 kgs.
Lovely.
And that was a big surprise that I got, that just eating healthy can help you so much. What can you do with exercise and eating healthy? And it was wow.
Do you feel that because you're eating healthy now, your body needs the exercise, your body craves for it? It says, "Ke, acha, I have the energy, chalo, let's go do something about it."
Yes.
Is that something that happened to you?
Happened to me, yes. When I just had my first round of healthy eating, that is what I was saying. I took up everything. I had time, I had energy to do exercise. I took out some time also. But when I don't do that healthy eating, I didn't have much drive, and still it really doesn't have that drive. But yes, I think energy levels, doing exercise, not too much of cardio, but little dancing, some moving here and there, playing with the nephew, or going out for a walk. Yeah, I find that good.
That is lovely. That is so nice to hear.
Yes.
So great. I was absolutely, I'm overjoyed that you shared your journey with us, and I hope that your journey will inspire a lot of other people.
Absolutely.
And keep it on, and I'm always here if you need me.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yes.